With Google Cloud, starting today, you can build and manage multi-agent systems with Vertex AI and our new agent development kit. You can scale the adoption of agents across your enterprise with our newly released Google Agentspace. And you can accelerate deployment with packaged AI agents that are ready for use today. Following the introduction of Vertex AI Agent Builder last year, we're announcing today a new agent development kit. It is a new open source framework that simplifies the process of building sophisticated multi-agent systems. Now you can build sophisticated Gemini-powered agents, help them use tools, do complex multi-step tasks, including reasoning or thinking. You can also discover other agents, learn their skills, and enable agents to work together while maintaining precise control. Agent Development Kit supports the Model Context Protocol, which provides a unified way for AI models to access and interact with various data sources and tools rather than requiring custom integrations for each and every one. We're also introducing a new Agent2Agent Protocol that allows agents to communicate with each other regardless of the underlying model and framework they were developed with. This protocol is supported by many leading partners who share our vision to allow agents to work across the multi-agent ecosystem, and with agents built on other agent frameworks, including LangGraph and Crew AI. Today, we're putting AI agents in the hands of every employee with Google Agentspace. Employees using Google Agentspace can now find and synthesize information from within their organization, converse with AI agents, and have these agents take action on their behalf for their enterprise applications. Google Agentspace combines Google quality enterprise search, conversational AI or chat, and Gemini and third-party agents. It also includes a broad set of tools, including purpose-built connectors to search and transact with documents and databases, as well as SaaS applications with advanced security and compliance to protect your data and your intellectual property.